Good morning. Welcome to another installment of Inspirational Quotes for your professional well-being. Today we have a special Mother's Day. Thank you going out to all our mothers out there. Thank you so much for everything that you do. The quote is, "There is so much to be grateful for. Words are poor things," by Marilynne Robinson. I just once again want to say thank you, and on a more personal note, thank you to my beautiful wife, Amanda, for everything that you do. You're my best friend, but you're a superhero. So, once again, to all the beautiful mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. I really hope you have a phenomenal day today. Thank you again.